Welcome to WD Gann forecasting methods. In this module, we shall be talking about views in Gann wheel. Now, views in Gann's wheel. Gann square of 9 is a Gann wheel because of the spiral pattern. Now the question is there other Gann wheels of other shapes and numbers? Circle, pentagon, hexagon, square of 4. What are the different types of Gann wheels? They are there indeed. We have already discussed it ago, but let's summarize the entire thing once more time. These are called different type of views of Gann wheel. This image was generated by AI. Look how AI imagined Gann, and AI also made this chart from Gann somehow. Now, these are the type of views which are famous and I found on the internet and on the Ganzilla software. So see, Gann square of 144 is not part of Gann wheel setup. It represents a separate concept altogether. So Gann square of 4, Gann square of 9. See, these are the squares and these are the circles and these are the polygons. So this is square of 4. Gann square of 4 is also a Gann wheel. You can see the spiral pattern here in the way the number is written. Instead of a pointy pyramid, you can assume it is a pyramid with a flat head. And the first complete square is a square of 4. That's why the name square of 4. There is no resistance and support level like horizontally and vertically like cardinal cross. There is only ordinal cross here because there cannot be two. See, there cannot be any cardinal cross in this case. The support and resistance level are marked here in the deeper color tone, and that's why it is not very much popular like Gann square of 9. The famous Gann square of 9 we already discussed. The support and resistance are also marked in the different color tone. So the different color tone you can see here, that is the support and resistance or pivot points. The square of 9 has more levels acting like support and resistance because it has both the cardinal and ordinal crosses. This is permanent square. This is a defined kind of Gann wheel. It is the Gann wheel variant which came very later. It is not developed by Gann actually. It was developed by some of his students, and it is still called Gann wheel because there are small wheels inside of it, and it is because of wheel. See, it diverges from the traditional pattern which expand from outward to the center. It is like a firecracker. See, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Then again it will go like a swing. Again it will go like a swing. And the support and resistance is created by the checkerboard type of pattern. So I found it in a trading community outside, and I thought it will be interesting to put it here, and that's how the trading community evolves. So I found there are few traders who are actually doing trade based on this. Anyways, that is your part, and it's, you can easily visualize the square support and resistance from this chart also. So this is circle of 12. The circle of 12, the name circle of 12 came because the first circle is circle of 12, and again the next base is coming from 13, another 12 numbers, another 12 numbers. Now you can see 12, 24, 36, it is diverging by 12. That's why 12. Now circle of 24 is there because there are 24 numbers in the first circle. 48, another 24. 24 plus 48 is 72, another 24 numbers. So it is going like 24 numbers. There are also 36 because there are 36 numbers in the initial ring. 36 plus 36 72, 72 plus 36 108, again 36. It is going outwards like this. Now there is tetragon. This is the most interesting part, that Gann never mentioned about polygons. The structure and concurrent number follow actually follow the rules of Gann time square method. Now I might not have discussed, there is no purview that we can discuss the Gann time square method here. Because it follows the Gann time square method, different people of different trading community actually developed it, and it evolved afterwards. So this is a tetragon. See, it has only the cardinal cross. And now see, this is a pentagon. To understand the support and resistance in the level of polygons, like how the support and resistance are coming, we need to understand them in 3D. The support and resistance are on the edges, with the center being on the top. Now see, this is the top and these are the edges. How we can slide down on the pyramid. So in a tetragon pyramid, the support and resistance lie on the edges. Similarly for the pentagon, see the edges, Again, to understand it, imagine this part in 3D. Okay, so the support and resistance level are on the edges with the center being on the top. Similar with the hexagon on the edges. See the edges. They all follow rules of Gann time square method, which is we can navigate them in the similar fashion we did in the Gann square of 9. 11 is actually 45 degree from 39. 25 is actually 45 degree from 28. So that's what is called Gann time square method. Each number is like there is a difference of 45 degrees here. Now I will again go back to the first part. Each number is divided by 45 degrees here. Not this one. This one is totally different thing. The permanent square. Gann circle of 12. See, 12 and 16. There is a difference of 45 degree. 45 degree. Again 45 degree. So the square of the again 45. So the 45 degree, 45 degree, 45 degree, 45 degree, 45 degree. You can do even more. Now imagine a pyramid of 8 faces, like the circular shape of Gann wheels. Polygonal Gann wheel also there are also few similarities here. Now see the first level, there is no numbers between them. The first level, there is no number between them. All the polygons in the first level, there are no numbers between them. In the second level, the support and resistance have one number between them. Only one number. See, only one number is between them. In the next level, there are two numbers between them. In the next level, there are three numbers between them. Four numbers between them. 2 number, 3 number, 4 number. Again same thing. 2 number, 3 number, 4 number. 2 number, 3 number, 4 number. It's like it is expanding. A square of 9 is also a polygon. It also follows the same rule. See, 1 number, 2 number, 3 numbers. 1 number, 2 number, 3 numbers. That's what is the beauty and the similarity. All polygonal Gann wheels are modeled after pyramids. Pyramids has apex. Pyramids are pointy. Circle-shaped Gann wheels do not have much significance as support. Circle-shaped Gann wheels do not have much significance as support and resistance lies on the alternative numbers, because see, in the circles, the support and resistance are in each alternative number, so it makes no sense. But still, some trader uses them, but I do not know why they uses them. But I made it anyways. So Gann square of 4. Then pentagon, hexagon, septagon, octagon, polygon, these are all called Gann wheels. Okay, and these are all important and they all follow the Gann time square method. They all differ of the support and resistance by 45 degree, and they also have the property of there are 1 number, 2 number, 3 number based on the size of the Gann wheel. And the square of 4 does not follow this property. And square of 4 and permanent square is different from the rest of the pack. See, the square of 4 is not pointy. All pyramids are pointy. The square of 4 has 4 numbers in the first part. It is like a pyramid with the top is sliced off here. So the square of 9 is not pointy. Square of 4 is not pointy at all. So square of 4 is permanent square is different from the pack, and rest of them are same. So this is why it is also called Gann pyramid method. So far you have learned different types of views of Gann wheel. We can construct polygonal Gann wheel of any number of faces if you remember how the edges are coming. Square of 4, permanent square and circle shaped Gann wheels are not important enough because they are like a modified version of this entire system which came later on. So let's see you in the next part of this course.